Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the recovery details Google needs. This speeds verification. Check the exact recovery email and phone number and note country codes. Once done, look at your last sign-ins, device types, and approximate times because Google cross-checks those. Make sure you have any backup codes, tied accounts, or ID ready. These prove ownership. Don't waste time on guesses. Accurate facts reduce delays and lower the chance of repeated lockouts later. You now use Google's account recovery flow from a familiar device and location. This matters. Start at the recovery link and answer every prompt with the exact details you recorded. Approximate answers can fail verification. If asked about passwords, provide the most recent one you remember. When offered methods, choose phone verification first, then backup code, then recovery email. If prompted for dates or contacts, give precise months and years. Google uses those to match account history and confirm identity. You finish by confirming access and locking the account down. Change the password to a strong, unique one and update recovery phone and email right away. This prevents reblocking. Then enable two-step verification and store new backup codes in a secure place. If recovery fails, don't keep repeating random attempts. Wait 48 to 72 hours and retry from a known device and network. This reduces automated flagging. If still blocked, use Google's appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.